Chandler Nigam's once stood atop hip of the world, but now he's facing some of the most serious charges of his life, as opening statement kick off in a bombshell federal trial involving allegations of sex trafficking. Rapidly incursion, the courtroom is bracing for emotional testimony from ex-girlfriend Cassie. Here's what we know so far. Inside the Shandanikon trial opening statement, Cassie written an exposing allegation. Shandanikon, a topping figure in the world of music and entrepreneurship, is now at the center of a high-stake federal trial that has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry. At 55, the music novel who once helped launch the careers of artists like the notorious B.I.G., Mary J. Roth, Snitch, and Usher now stern out of running a notorious criminal enterprise involving sex trafficking, violence, and blackmail. Combs faces multiple federal charges, including sex trafficking by forcing transportation of prostitution and conspiracy under the RICO Act. He has pleaded not guilty and continued to deny all the allegations, asserting that the relationship and sexual conduct described were entirely confession parts of a sundar last trial. Openly statement began Monday painting is turning different portraits of Kong. The prosecution led by assist U.S. attorney and allegates that Combs orchestrated a pattern of abuse in which women were coerced into participating in sex acts, often involving lady sex workers under threat of exposure via secretly recorded videos. Prosecutors highlighted as 2016 security videos showing Combs physically and sloping singer Cassie Ventura, his longtime partner at the time. As O'Hara explains of the alleged abuse, one of the crying most anticipated moments will be Cassie Venora's testimony. According to the prosecution, Ventura was victimized and forced into non-consensual acts, suffering both physical violence and physiological manipulation. Her appearance in court marked the first time she and Kong had come face to face since their permit is placed in 2018. The defense led by attorney Mark Fellow and Danny Georges insists the case is based not on a criminal but on complicated adult relationship marked by jealousy, heartbreak, and consensual choice. George's knowledge Kong violated temper and trust use but argued that none of it amounted to federal crimes. She and Kong is complicated man, she told Georges. But this is a not complicated case. This case is about love, jealousy, infidelity, and money. Georges portrayed Grace and another allied victim identified as Johnny as a strong-willed woman who willingly participated in Kong's lifestyle and only later saw financial settlement. Being a willing participant in your own sex life is not sex trafficking. Georges are framing the videos in question as private, consensual act and never intended to be shared publicly. Prosecutor, however, maintained that those some videos are evidence of concern. Tools found used to silence women and maintain control over them. As the trial unfolds, the public and press will be watching closely, especially as high-profile witnesses like Christie take the stand. The come-out of the case could reshape the legacy of one of hip-hop's most influential figures and serve as a landmark moment in the broader conversation around power and use and accountability in the music industry. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.